Hey Oliver.
Hi.
Welcome back, friend. It is December 23rd, Friday before Christmas
Eve.
Yeah. And this is another video where we had some audio issues, but that's okay. We're just going to do voiceover for part of it. Yeah, Oliver?
Yeah.
All right, what do we say?
Pitter patter, let's get at her.
Pitter patter, let's get at her. All right, Oliver. So let's talk about this. What did we do here?
Make a sled.
It was a sled. Oh.
For real.
For real life. Okay.
Yeah, but made out of Lego.
But made out of Lego. Correctamundo. You know why it's made out of Lego?
Because it came with it.
Yeah, because it's a Lego advent calendar.
I said it came with it.
Well, yes, it sure did.
Yeah.
And this was behind door number 23
Like,
that you opened there.
yeah.
So we'll go ahead and build. I don't really know what else to say about this because it's kind of weird to do this voiceover, huh?
Not really.
Not really. Okay, so let's talk, Oliver. Let's talk to us about the build.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
That's okay.
No.
That's all right, bud. We'll add those red pieces on there.
And the white and the green.
Yeah.
And gold.
Yes, there are definitely some gold pieces on there.
Tan.
I think they're more gold than tan.
Yeah.
Because it's Christmas, and tan is like a Christmas color, right? Or no, not tan. Gold is a Christmas color.
Oh, yeah.
Red, gold, green. Those are beautiful Christmas colors.
You're forgetting white.
And white, yes. I can't forget white. But yep, look at that, Oliver.
Yeah.
Oh, almost done, not quite. Yeah.
Now finish.
All right, well, ta-da! That's super awesome. It is a sled.
I knew it.
Okay.
Hooray.
Well, awesome sauce. Oliver, what should we say to our friends?
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our videos, press the subscribe button and come back for Christmas for day 24, which is Christmas Eve.
Yes. Day 24, Christmas Eve, which will be tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.